Are you struggling to find an effective solution to get rid of acne? Maybe you would love a more affordable solution for healthy, radiant skin. Hi, I'm Angelique of D.I.Y Beauty Angel, here to share with you the secret of achieving clear, radiant skin with just one simple ingredient: apple cider vinegar. This one is my homemade apple cider vinegar that I show you how to make in a different video. The link is at the end of the video and in the description below. You heard that right. Just one ingredient. Okay, 2 if you count water. But first, I hope you are ready to elevate your self-care routine using the power of natural ingredients. If so, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and don't miss any updates. Let's get started. 1 part apple cider vinegar and 1 part water. Mix the 2 ingredients together and voila! Your D.I.Y apple cider vinegar toner is ready. But wait, how does this simple toner work its magic? Tell them how, Angelina.
Thank you, Angelique. Apple cider vinegar has been a natural remedy for centuries. With its alpha-hydroxy acids, it exfoliates, unclogs pores and reduces inflammation, resulting in a clearer complexion. ACV's antibacterial and antifungal properties combat acne and fade hyperpigmentation, revealing healthier-looking skin.
By using this toner, you'll not only improve the overall appearance and health of your skin, but you'll also save money and reduce the number of products cluttering your bathroom. Plus, it's all natural, so you don't have to worry about any harmful chemicals or additives, especially if you make your own apple cider vinegar. To use, simply apply the toner to a piece of cotton or washcloth and swipe it over your face after cleansing. Use it twice a day, and you'll see a noticeable difference in your skin's texture, tone, and clarity. Such a simple and effective way to achieve clear, radiant skin. Please check out the next video for more do-it-yourself beauty recipes.
Thank you so much for watching our video. Join our community on a journey to radiant beauty powered by nature. Please like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comment section. We can't wait to hear from you. See you soon.